Ayun, magandang araw po sa bawat isa. Kamusta po kayo? So, as you can see sa ating title, I will be doing another fragrance review from the local brand called 625 Perfume. Shout out po Sir Paul Prestado. Shout out to your team. Maraming salamat po for the opportunity to try your creation. Ayan, so, ayun, para po sa mga nakapanood, yung last two contents ko were Caramel Kiss, no? Ito po yung kanilang interpretation ng Crush on Me by Unique Luxury, and of course yung huli lang ay Namek, no? This is their interpretation naman of Ganymede by Marc Antoine Barrois. Ayun, so ngayon naman this is one of their newest release, I believe. This is called Oak Spice. Ito naman po yung i-review natin. This is their interpretation naman of Angel Share ng Kilian. Ayan, so para po sa nakapanood dati, I made a content. Ilalagay po natin lahat ng links na yan below, no? I made a content sa clones, sa dupes, sa interpretations na na-try ko na at meron ako ng Angel Share. Of course, with the OG, and you could go check it out, no? Pero ayun, before we proceed with our review, no, siguro gusto ko lang i-share din sa inyo ulit, no, yung aking scent of the day or SOTD. My SOTD is from the House of Amouage. This is called Royal Tobacco. Definitely my current favorite from my collection. Tobacco, but this is not your typical use ng tobacco na yung entrance ng tobacco like sa Naxos. Hindi po ganun, no? This is a more challenging tobacco. Of course, the Amouage way, the Amouage spices, the warm and the fresh spices, and the tobacco and everything else, no? I-review po natin to in the future. Pero yun, no, this is my SOTD. And kayo guys, share nyo naman ano yung SOTD ninyo. Ilagay nyo lang po sa ating comment section. Ayun, so before we go kay Oak Spice, no, before we look at how does it compare, no, with the OG, of course, ayun, we will go sa OG. So doon po sa aking review ng clones and dupes, no, binigyan ko po kayo ng history. Siguro pwede ninyong tingnan yun, you could go back to it, pero siguro a summary of Angel Share, kung bakit Angel Share, kung saan ba siya nanggaling. Basically, dalawang bagay lang. Number one, ano ba yung inspiration ng Angel Share? Number one, Angel Share is Kilian Hennessy's, the owner, no, Kilian Hennessy's way of paying tribute sa kanilang family, sa kanilang cognac making legacy. So that's number one. And number two, yung Angel Share na name, no, actually para siyang ano the name came from this idea, no, na every year, no, sa aging ng alcoholic drinks, they say na 2 to 5% is lost, no, it evaporates in the air, no, and superstitiously, no, let me put it that way, they believe na yung released in the air, no, or yung lost during aging na alcoholic drink, no, yung percentage na yon, they offer it to the gods, or they share it to the gods, to the angels, thus the name Angel Share. So siguro parang fun fact lang or trivia, no, about Angel Share. So ayun, the perfume accords, as always, lalagay natin somewhere here: woody, warm, spicy, vanillic, sweet, no, ilalagay natin lahat yan dito. And the perfume notes, the top note is cognac, no, that's a booze note, and the mid notes are cinnamon, tonka bean, and oak. Then of course base, vanilla, praline, and sandalwood. So how does it smell? No, para sa akin, no, disclaimer again, ito po yung experience with the perfume, no. Again, maraming factors yan, pero yun nga, ang hirap kasing i-describe ng scent, no. The best way talaga para malaman mo is to try it for yourself. Pero yun nga, siguro our task as reviewers is at least to paint a picture or give you an idea kung ano bang amoy niya. So, sa akin personally, it's mostly cognac. Yung cognac po, ano yan dalawa yung facet niya. Ang cognac as a booze note, it is fruity, no? Fruity siya. Boozy fruity, of course, no? But at the same time, meron po siyang spices. So para siyang fruity na booze, pero meron siyang spices, parang ganun, no? And makikita nyo po sa base may praline. Praline, it is really sweet, no? May yung praline, meron niyang parang nutty konti na smell, pero basically it's sweet, no? Parang gano'n, no? May konting nuts, no? And everything else. May parang burnt na, parang sweet, burnt, nutty na vibes to it, no? And the forward or the hero notes here are, para sa akin at least, no? Dalawa yung nadidetect ko. Cognac and oak. Okay, yung oak tree po yan. Madalas siyang gamitin din sa perfumery. And yung oak note, yun po yung nagbibigay ng woody, earthy, slightly smoky, and slightly bitter feels to the perfume. So yun, no, boozy siya, overall boozy, woody, no, the oak, no, it gives that konting bitterness, earthiness, no, at sabi ko kanina yung cognac, meron siyang slightly spicy tone to it. So yun basically. And siguro kung iisipin niyo para sa mga hindi pa nakatry ng OG or any of the dupes, no, it is within the same vein or within the same scent profile. I'm not saying na 100% kaboy niya tong mga to, pero it's in the same scent profile like perfumes like Oajan ng PDM or Il Capriccio del Maestro ng Nobile 1942 or Ambre Narguilé ng Hermes, no, from their Hermescence collection, their niche line, and yung Cult at Night ng Attar collection. So within that vein, no, para may idea po kayo, it's boozy, it's sweet, it's woody. Doon sila naglalaro with that apple pie-ish na vibes to it, no. So yun basically ang Angel Share. Ngayon, kamusta naman si Oak Spice, no? Kamusta naman po ang interpretation nitong Oak Spice? Well, aside from Aventus, no, napansin ko sa niche side to, no, sa niche side ng pag-interpret or pagko-clone, pagdudupe, paggawa ng inspired perfumes, siguro isa ang Angel Share sa most cloned or interpreted or dupe na niche perfume, no, marami kang makikita. Yung nireview ko pa lang last time, parang I believe or as far as I can remember, parang 5 ata yun or 6. Pero there are others pa na clones or dupes ng Angel Share. Pero yun, no, dahil madami yung clones, siguro ang katanungan kaagad pag may bagong nirelease, no, how does the new release compare to the others, no? So kamusta ba si Oak Spice? No, again, katulad nung mga nakaraan, katulad po nung mga uploads ko from 625 Perfumes, I will just share to you my observations. Disclaimer, guys, this is my personal observations, no? Baka may magsabi masyadong maarte si Sir Ralph, dami napapansin. Pero yun nga, it's my number one, it's my task to give you an idea, no? Kasi pag ni-review yan, of course, may magko-consider na bumili. Number 2, gusto ko siyang gawin, no? Gusto kong kahit to the slight details, gusto kong magbigay ng at least ng thoughts ko or feelings ko kumbaga about the perfume. So here are some observations na nagawa ko, no, sa Oak Spice as compared to the OG. I had the OG before, no. It's like a partial decant bottle, parang 30 ml, no. nagamit ko siya ng maigi, no? Even before that, parang 2 times ako nagkaroon ng samples or ng decant. So siguro I would say nakilala ko somehow yung scent profile tsaka yung overall performance and everything else sa Angel Share. So ayun, number 1 observation na nagawa ko, the oak note here is prominent, no? Para sa akin, that's amazing, no? Pero mamaya explain ko siguro for me personally needs improvement. Pero yun, the oak note here, yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung oak, earthy, woody, no? May slightly bitter effect na note. No, it is amazing kasi among those that I have tried, mas ramdam ko siya dito, no? That's really commendable. Actually, nung nagka-chat kami ni Sir Paul, sabi ko, Sir Paul, isa sa napansin ko dito, ang kakaiba, binigyan mo ng emphasis yung oak na hindi po ginawa ng iba. Para po kasi sa akin ganito yun eh. Ito po yung with all due respect sa nag-interpret ng Angel Share, no? From all those that I have tried pa lang, no, so far. No, para sa akin, siguro may something intimidating sa oak. I don't know, no. Hindi ko pa na-try gumawa or mag-blend, no. Pero siguro there's something intimidating sa oak na hindi po nabibigyan ng emphasis. Kasi po para sa akin yung cognac, hindi lang naman cognac yun eh. May balance siya ng oak, no? So it's cognac and oak, the notes, no? And para sa akin, it's more of the cognac. Ang nangyari po kasi, ganito po napansin ko sa clones, no? Pag more of the cognac, ang nangyayari, kuha, tsaka heavy siya sa opening, even going sa mid, no? But after some time, ang napapansin ko, nawawalan po siya ng backbone, nawawalan po siya ng bigat, ng weight, no? Kaya, sorry for how I would describe this, pero ang napapansin ko, para na lang siyang booze with parang konting toothpaste na amoy. Akin lang naman yun, no? Pero parang ganun na. And with that toothpaste na sinasabi ko, what I mean is, nagiging lighter na siya tuloy, no? Parang nagiging airy na siya. Which I believe ang OG, may ano siya, may degree of airiness, pero mostly it's heavy, mostly it's boozy, no, mostly it's oak, no. So yun yung napansin ko, number 1. Kaya ayun, commendable for me personally ang ginawa ng oak spice kasi naglagay siya ng emphasis doon sa oak note, no. However, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Para sa akin, no, siguro medyo naging too much. Konting-konti lang po, Sir Paul. Sorry po, medyo naging too much lang siguro yung oak, no? And ito, which leads me to the second observation. If anything, no, siguro ang ginawa ni Sir Paul, medyo naging tone down naman yung cognac. Kasi, para sa akin, katulad sabi ko kanina, dalawa po yung facets ng cognac na note, no? The cognac note is sweet, boozy sweet, but at the same time, it is boozy na spicy. No, siguro si Sir Paul, nag-tone down siya doon sa boozy sweetness, no? And nag-focus siya more on the boozy spicy aspect, no? Na sinalo ng oak, no? So, sa akin lang naman to personally, of course, subjective naman to, no? Pero sa akin personally, siguro I would prefer, no? And in comparison sa OG, no, na may balance yung lahat. So siguro ewan ko kung paano mangyari yun, pero parang siguro you would amp up the boozy sweetness and itotone down mo ng konting-konti yung spicy nuance ng cognac and ng oak, or yung medyo bitter na effect ng oak. Pero honestly, that oak, that bitterness, kuha ni Sir Paul, really commendable. Siguro yun lang, no? Yun lang po yung akin, no? That's just me. No, that's not only my personal preference, pero siguro in comparison with the OG. Actually, dalawa lang eh. Parang sa Namek guys, really commendable. Halos wala kang mapansin in terms of scent profile. Of course, ano lang yan eh, para sa akin lang yan kasi I try my best to review eh, yung details nun, even to the minute details of it, no? So, yun, yung dalawa lang para sa akin, no? Yun lang yung napansin ko about the cognac and the oak, no? Pero overall guys, no, in all honesty, no, ito, hindi po ito pambobola kay Sir Paul or sa 625 perfumes, no? And with all due respect sa lahat ng clones, pero para sa akin personally, this would have to be, as of now, the closest one I would get sa scent profile ng Angel Share. Of course, as I always say, the OG is the OG. Pero in terms of the scent profile, guys, para sa akin, ito yung pinakamalapit kong nakukuha sa ngayon, no, sa Angel Share. No, pero disclaimer, of course, no, there are others na may good reviews, like I believe meron ng Enigma. Was it Dux? I forgot, no, never tried, no. And meron pa yung Angelic Elixir ng Dua. Of course, Brooklyn Fragrance Lovers ng Alexandria. Hindi ko pa na-try yung mga yon. Pero yon, so far, ito yung nakukuha kong closest Oak Spice. Ayun lang guys, yung mga sinabi ko kanina, no, take note, no, yung mga sinabi ko kaninang differences or yung mga observations ko kanina about the oak, about the cognac and everything else, kung tutuusin, minute lang yun eh. Kung tutuusin, ano lang yun, maliliit lang na detalye yun. Overall, Oak Spice is really good. It's commendable, no? And if you would ask me, of course, no, kahit anong clones ng Angel Share for ano yan, for nighttime, no, it could get really cloying sa mainit, no? And do not expect a performance beast sa Angel Share, no? Kasi baka may magtanong, performing ba siya, etc. It's more closer to the skin, no? So, yun. Yun lang guys, ang masasabi ko siguro kay Oak Spice. No, again, kudos to you, Sir Paul, and your team. No, and guys, if you find this interesting, if you find this helpful, please do consider liking and sharing and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.